you guys. Oh my god, it's been too long. I have been waiting forever. My apartment's been decorated for like at least a month now, to put this video out, because oh my gosh, I just love to decorate for the holidays. So this is going to be a Halloween decor apartment tour. I like that. That's got a nice vibe to it, don't it? Oh my gosh, I just did that. So oh my god. Some stuff I got from Home Goods, some stuff I got from Walmart, some stuff I got, majority of the stuff I got from Dollar Tree. So I still need a bathroom shower curtain, but other than that, like, I feel like I'm pretty much done besides in my bedroom area. I don't plan on doing anything in my bedroom area, and I'm not going to show you guys my bedroom area because it's unfinished and unfurnished. So other than that, I hope you guys are excited as I am. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. And let's get right into it. Theme, I kind of didn't want to keep it like modern with just like one color or just like two colors, like the black and the orange. So I definitely switched it up, put some green in there and all this. I really love this. I think I'm so proud of this tree. My tree is going to be up year round. I'm that type of person that wants to have a tree up year round and decorate for all type of holiday seasons and all that, you know. So I am very proud of this tree. We're gonna have Christmas and Halloween out here. So I have this little table here that has this little cute accessories in here. I actually got the bowl and both different color, the pumpkins and the skulls from Dollar Tree. I just needed something cute on a nice little accent table and, you know, focal point for the table, and there we go. So these little accessories I got Dollar Tree. I got a pack of these little spider things from Dollar Tree. This I got from Dollar Tree as well, and the other one. And I also have lights underneath that are orange that I believe I got from Walmart. So it all lights up orange. So this little area right here is above my, just my bar, and I like it. It's just so homey. I definitely want to get another one of those and probably put it like on the other side. But she lights up. All these little pumpkin things right here, they light up. And these right here, they are so beautiful. Like, they're actually really well put together. I have my little fall pumpkin spice air freshener to go with the theme. So I have some little cute pumpkins over here that I got from Dollar Tree. I also got those from Dollar Tree. This I got from Dollar Tree as well as the little spider. And then over here I have my little skeleton hanging on the wall. He's just chilling, you know. have a little cute another pumpkin over here that I got from Dollar Tree, and I have my little mittens and stuff ready to go. I need to get the towels, but I got the mittens. And then over here, this is what I was talking about. Look how gorgeous that is. Hold on, let me do a flash real quick. Look how, oh my God, just so beautiful.